Alright, hi. Yeah, it's me again. Just a random bloke on the internet who likes trains. You join me here today at Bulwell, waiting for my tram to take me down to my train spotting location, to one of my train spotting locations for today, David Lane. The reason why I'm starting it here is because I sort of missed the tram I was supposed to catch, and so I decided to take a train down from the tram down to Beeston Interchange, and then go from Beeston Interchange to Nottingham, then from Nottingham up to here on train. And now I'm just waiting for my. Oh my god! It's actually a refurbished set. All right. This is great.
So incoming now, we have a refurbished set from Bardier, you thingamajiggle.
From Hucknall heading down to Toton. This is 204!
204.
It's the tram I missed earlier! Well.
This is Bulwell. Please ensure you have purchased a ticket or
You're smart, I think, boy.
This tram is for
Toton Lane. Next
stop is Highbury Vale.
Highbury Vale.
We are now departing Bulwell.
Well, we should be.
Yep.
We're moving again. Why is that no seatbelts? Why?
This tram is from Toton Lane. The next stop is Highbury Vale.
Why do you know this?
And there it goes, single track. This goes from single track to double track. As we're at 70 kilometres an hour. Yeah, we are filming it. See, we're train spotters. Yeah. We're people who record trains. It's our hobby. We're just recording our short journey down to David Lane, where we'll be beginning train spotting. It is that, and that's heading to. That's heading to Hucknall. That's heading to Hucknall.
We are now
It's
at Highbury Vale.
Highbury Vale. 237.
This is Highbury Vale.
This tram is for Toton Lane.
It's for Toton Lane. Oh my god, that tram did not stop.
David Lane.
Okay.
Stop again.
It's a public transport system. I mean, it only stops on request, like, but it still has to stop.
Our next stop will be our filming location for today.
This tram
And yes,
It's how you request to stop.
our film for today is going to be Trams again.
Yeah.
Don't forget I am being dominated by the Trams. I am doing the of course.
Hello there. And here we are at David Lane.
Welcome to David Lane.
Oh, did I forget to mention we'll also be seeing buses here. I might not record all of them, but we will be seeing some.
But there's going to be biogas.
Yeah. Right, let's go.
This is David Lane.
Should we go by the level crossing?
Yeah.
Okay. 204 is off. And yeah, we are now at David Lane. Let's see what else shall sign up. And by the way, we'll be seeing something about East Midlands Railway as well. Scotsman. 217 off to Phoenix Park. Calf Roach MBE. Is that stopping? Yes, it's stopping. David Lane tram stop is really just a mess of everything. You got your trams, your trains, and your cars. Am I right?
Yeah. But today, at least, we'll be able to film with the level crossing.
Yeah. Which is why we decided to go here. Instead of go back to Baseford, which is literally 217 is off, by the way. Baseford is literally just down there. I'll head up to the bridge and hopefully we'll be able to get a better perspective as to where we actually are.
To show you where we actually are. Why might we read what you say?
Because you are.
Yeah.
As you can see, Baseford tram stop is literally just down there, and there's a tram for Toten.
Nah. Are you sure?
I mean Hucknall. Sorry about that, but I'm a bark. Oh, hello there.
Hello. We have a tram arrival. Do we?
Yeah. Okay, this is off.
This is off.
This is off to Hucknall. Guess I've seen things, but I thought I saw that tram.
This is tram.
This is tram number 229.
229.
Oh, here we go. Look what we got here then.
Another
refurbished set. This is having to stop out here.
Having to stop here due to
Traffic.
should be going.
Yep. This is actually a great vantage point, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, you're heading to Clifton South. And we'll get you what you are upon your departure. Not that it will be long.
Tram number.
Okay, you're departing 212. That's your number.
That's your number, tram.
Well, but what can you expect? It's manic. While it's there, may as well. There's a 69. There's a 68 service, Nottingham City Transport. There's like 68. Yeah, 68 heading to City Victoria Centre. Guess I'll have to title this Trains, Trams and Buses at David Lane. This is fleet number... I can't, 510. 510 you say?
I'll shout.
And you are? I have no ruddy clue. If you're a 69 heading to Bullwall. Nice. Yeah, I'm not normally a bus spotter, but today I am. Well, at least for this film I am. Am I right?
Yes. I've got 510. I do believe.
Well, we've got another tram over at Baseford.
But we'll see if I have completely no idea.
Same here, mate. Same here. And you are?
Mr. Trevor Basin, I have no
Stationary.
idea where you are.
But you are
Stationary.
But you are an Alstom set. Yeah, wait, Alstom's correct, isn't it? Yeah, that's an Alstom set. In case you didn't know, Nottingham trams are... Well, there's two types. There's a Bombardier model, which is the first generation, and then there's the Alstom model, the second gen.
This is going to Phoenix Park.
You're going to Phoenix Park.
You are.
And you are 216.
216.
And you've got the road. It's all very convoluted here, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got your trams, your trains, your buses, and whatever. But it's a great place. Yeah, I like it. Reminds me of Baseford, but more manic. Because you've also got the buses. Even though the buses do run down to Baseford, you barely ever see them. Am I right?
Yep. 16 is
Okay,
off.
216 is off to Phoenix Park. We should soon see the barrier dropping down for a service from Worksop to Nottingham and Nottingham to Worksop.
I don't know if my camera. Now we have a Nottingham Express Transit service to Toten Lane.
Yeah, well, it should be to Toten.
We'll be heading down to the level crossing to
To catch a few passing services. Well, a couple of passing services. It's 227!
Hello, 227.
Oh, that's the tram I called from my place to Beeston Interchange. Shall we cross? Shall we stay here? I think we should stay here. So 227 should be off to Toten. Yep, it's off to Toten.
227 is off. Thank you.
Thanks for the time, buddy. Alright, so we now have a thingamadoobery flip heading to Clifton South, I believe. So when I say thingamadoobery flip, I mean tram. And I think we've got another one. Oh yes, we do. Yeah, it's tram number 223. 223. You are.
Tram.
You are the tram of the number 235. 235. Thanks for the time, buddy. 235 then to Hucknall, and 223 heading to Clifton.
And 223 should be off.
Doors are still open, mate. Now they're closing.
223 should be off, and then hopefully at home.
Yeah. And we've got bus.
And you've got scan your army depot easily, I can tell.
I'll leave all the bus specifications to you, okay?
Okay.
You're 69 heading to Wall. 919. Your fleet number 919 heading to Wall, working to 69.
You should have a level crossing going down.
This is all very convoluted, isn't it? If you want to get through, you have to deal with... If you want to get across here, you have to deal with cars, or buses, trains, and trams.
Okay, 919.
919 off. Anyway, I have another yellow line service.
This is a biogas board.
Yellow is the best colour, by the way. This is 512. Working at 69 to Vic Centre.
Level crossing. Still not going down.
Passing through now, well, I should say, potentially stopping. We have a Nottingham Express Transit service to, I think it's Hucknall.
Phoenix Park.
Phoenix Park or Hucknall.
One place year long go off of yeah. Level crossing. Yay.
There we go. About time, am I right? Careful, dude. This is... Yeah, you're right. Is this heading to Phoenix Park? 203. 203 heading to Phoenix Park. Meanwhile, we should also be having a service from an East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to Worksop, and a service from Worksop to Nottingham. Meanwhile, we also have another tram. I don't know why that footbridge exists now, so pedestrians. Trouble 2, heading to Toton Lane. There a train? Yeah, that's a train, alright. There might also be one behind you, dude. Not sure, but there might be. Okay, your Triple 2 is off to Toton. And we have our first train of the day. Well, not the first one we've seen. Not the first one I've caught. That'll be the 10:35 from Beeston to Nottingham, originating at Matlock. And the second one I caught was a 10:55 from Nottingham to Mansfield Woodhouse in, as you know, Garfoot Bulwell.
No, it's the 11.
Here we go. 156. Oh, you're right. It is 9:12. Sorry, you were right. It is 9:12. The X-Greater Anglia one. These should be staying down as we have a service from. Yeah.
Over there, the passing service will be going from
Worksop to Nottingham.
Worksop to Nottingham.
What does it look like? 156. That's a 156 and it's in a race with a tram!
Okay, we've got a race with a tram.
Oh, 215, you're heading to Hucknall? Yeah, but the 156 is going to win that race as it doesn't stop. It's towing the 153 as well. Meanwhile, we have a 68, 504, 156, 473, and 153, 319. That's basically the new Stalker 153, you know?
There we go.
Okay, 217. Mate, 156, 319 might as well be the new Stalker 153, am I right?
Yeah.
Replacing 310, as that's been in Birmingham. Well, like I say, it's blimey. That's off. You should be off soon.
Hey, look, it doesn't look far. I'm getting buffeted by the wind.
Okay, and that chivvy, that's off the road now. Yep, that's off the road. That's off the road. Yeah, and 217 is off. On its way to Clifton. This is bloody manic, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, tram number 2 Summit is heading to Phoenix Park.
And the
219.
219. Phoenix Park.
And you are
And you are
503 working at 69 to Bulwell. Nice.
And we have to look on But may well keep it rolling due to, yeah, you know, Trams.
I'm just going to cross over here again.
Next way.
We have a tram for Phoenix Park leaving. And also a tram for Totem Lane pulling that in. I'm going to be heading up to back. I'm going to head back up to Leveridge. It's a great vantage point. You are 229. Thanks for the sign, buddy. Just let you guys know. After this, we'll be heading up to also on the Robin Hood line and NET line 1, but not 2. And also we'll probably be seeing some Trent Barton buses. If I actually bother to record them. Which I probably won't.
If you do, I'll.
Oh, and by the way, this is our first Trent Spike trip after the atrocity that is Brexit.
Which is finally over with.
Which I still think we should have stayed in the EU.
But then again.
Anyway, political rant over. Now let's get back to the trains and trams and buses and whatever, and knickknacks and whatever you got. Okay. Coming now, we have a Nottingham Express Transit service to either Hucknall or Phoenix Park.
That's 210.
How do I know? 210, you say?
Leveling, so it's got to be 210.
Yeah,
We already know this formation.
it's 210.
Apparently.
And you are heading to Hucknall.
Hello, Hucknall. Yay.
Just
Do
Eat.
it.
Sir Jesse Boot.
I'm just voting one minute.
Yeah. You know something actually rather incredible happened to me recently. I was doing one of my daily laps of these days after school, and I saw a tram for Totem pull in. I was passing by Inham Road tram stop, by the way. I saw a tram bound for Totem Lane pull in. And I looked in the direction, and I saw, guess what?
210.
No. Another tram about 10 seconds behind. Alright, 210's off.
210's off.
And you are a Bombardier model heading to Clifton South.
You're heading to Clifton South, a formation of which you shall get upon her departure.
Might be 212, you know.
Okay, that tram.
203.
203.
Meanwhile, we have a 68 going to Bulwell. Is that Bulwell? Yeah, Bulwell.
Seat number is
510.
510. I can tell you, it's an Alstom.
Yeah, this is an Alstom built model heading to Phoenix Park.
I know it's going in Phoenix Park thanks to this handy guy.
Yeah, very tall bloke. Very tall bloke who just happens. Oh, you're 235 heading to Totem. 2 plus 3 equals 5.
But on
232.
232.
Okay.
235.
Okay. And let's head back down to the stop. as after these two, our time at David Lane shall be up.
Due to me having it in a bug issue.
235. Thanks.
235.
And yeah, we shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. Be sure to do all the other stuff the YouTube will tell you to do. And yeah, our next film will be at Bullwall. Originally, line, and then see, and then it's C line 1. Yeah. Take care. See ya.
Thank you ever so much for watching.